They're coming, they're coming, they're coming. Okay, right here, right here. Okay, see them focus. Okay, 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 okay. So they're coming. Oh my God, it's a lot of them. Look at all of them.
Yeah.
Oh, the course, the course, the course. Look at them. For today's video is another walk episode and Coot's eggs gone missing. Okay, and I am starting again with my little walk today. Let's go. Our normal routine is to feed this beauties in here. Come on. That's it. There you are. There you are. Hello. Oh. Hello. Ouch! That hurts. That hurts. Okay. Oh my God! It's hungry. He's hungry. Look, he's hungry. Let's see, he's hungry. Yeah, I think. No, you should. You're naughty. Oh. Give me one look. Yeah, you know. One of them, you know, they bit my finger. Okay. Oh, that one, oh. Oh, this one, oh. Looks like they are naughty. Okay. That's it, no, that's it. So, yeah. We are feeding. That's our introduction of our walk. Yeah. Look, oh, it's a bit naughty. Oh, look at them. No, I don't want to. Yeah. Oh, it look good. Oh, these are beauts. I like good. Yeah, goods are nice. They are very nice. So, here we are again, doing our walk. Walk like an Egyptian. It's a bit chilly again, but this morning we had a bit of sunshine. Well, anyway, typical England, and but it's still manageable. At least it's good to walk. It's good. It's really good.
You what?
The teeth of this one.
Yeah.
No, this one. Yeah. And there's like, whoa, whoa. It's a bit. So it will tell you off. Okay. Hello. There you are. Yep.
No. There isn't.
Looks like you don't like bread. Jack Gusta Crave.
Great crested grebe.
Whatever that is. Ah, so shy now. Enjoy. Hello, Mommy Coot. Have you got egg yet? Are you Daddy Coot? Okay.
Remember,
Guard you.
throw some bread over there, but she'll get it out of us all.
Yeah, that nest there that has got 4 eggs last time. These seagulls, you know, they are really naughty birds. They're trying to snatch off the food. Hi. Hi. Did you see that? I don't know if I can. That one, I think. Hi. We got a nice, pretty daffodils up there. Then so this is the intermission number. It's photo shoot time.
Husband's coming to tell you off, look.
Huh?
Her husband's coming to tell you off.
Hi. And then probably by the next time we come in here. Look at them. Trying to come in here before we do.
Come on, give him some food.
Come here, come here. Look at them. They're coming.
Thought seagulls arrive.
They're coming. Come on, come on. Come on. Because they're happy because there's no big swans.
Oh, they're coming now though, look. They've set sail.
Oh, food ration. Food ration. Oh, come on, wait for us. Wait for us. Come on, duck. Eat before they arrive. Because if they come, you cannot have them anymore. Because they are running away.
Ducks are fighting for food now. Look.
Look at them.
Yeah.
Look at them.
It's like the Spanish Armada.
Yeah. They're coming. They're coming. They're coming.
Okay.
We're here. We're here. Okay. Okay. Okay.
Look at all of them.
Yeah.
Oh, the course. Look at them.
Good night. Say good night. Good night, people. Thank you for watching. Bye.